C-130, my dream of seeing one. Maybe one other will come. Airplane is being heard. That sounds very loud. I'm not sure if it's taking off. Is that a C-130? It has to be a C-130. I wonder which way it's taking off. Finally, I hear a plane going. We're doing something at least. Okay, there's a plane way up there. I believe that's a twin otter. It was a twin otter. I saw, okay, the quarter ants there are spreading out their wings. There's 3 quarter ants. And they notice the sound and they're getting very concerned. Or maybe they didn't see the plane. I think the plane is moving around everywhere. How can't I see it? It's pretty loud even when it's that far. Oh, yeah, it's about inside. It's a C-130! It's a C-130. It's a very big C-130. It's the first time I'm going to see one take off, probably. What is the C-130 doing? Fat ass C-130 is doing something there. You know you can't fall down the stairs? You just can't. Like it's not happening. Watch this. See? Okay. That is America's version of the Airbus 400M. Yes, C-130. I didn't know they were that loud. I didn't know that they were that loud. Maybe more will come out, I'm not sure. Usually they don't go that way. Probably that's just the way that the C-17 doesn't go. I hope the C-17 goes. I'm not sure what he's waiting on. Is there another military craft that he's waiting on now to land in? Because usually they don't just wait. One of the quarter ants got a little scared. I believe. Or maybe those are not quarter ants. Those might be vultures that were just acting like how I usually see quarter ants acting like quarter ants. Spreading out their wings at certain points. Like them. Okay, as you can see, the C-130 is waiting on something. I know there's something coming that he's waiting on. That's the first time I've seen a C-130 on the move. Crazy. I hope one comes in soon. It might be the twin otter coming in. Maybe he's waiting on it. take that long to wind up? I thought they take it, their engines go like the Antonov AN228 or Antonov AN70. Let's wind up their engines. Oh, there he goes. Finally, he will move. I'm not sure if this is a Lockheed C-130, a Hercules, or is a normal C-130J. C-130 is making takeoff. We're making history. That's Lockheed's version of the C1. I mean, Lockheed's version of the AN228. Finally, he will take off. Well, guys, let's pause it until another airplane comes. Yep, I hear a plane. It sounds small. At first when the engines start winding up, it sounds kind of like actually the AN70, but it stopped. Wait, have you ever seen an Antonov aircraft? Because Antonovs, even though they're by Ukraine, like the AN-12 can come to the USA and some others. The AN-70 stays in Ukraine because it replaced the AN-12. So the AN-12 could move in. I'm not sure. Maybe workers a while ago when they stepped on the concrete and had concrete-proof shoes to walk on a while ago, like probably years ago. And they still mark it. Till I see the plane, I'm gonna pause it. Oh God! It looks like the AN-70 a lot. He's coming again. I believe this is on his training route. I hear another one. Let's pause it until one comes again. I see him down there again. I think he's coming right back. The thing's approaching again. It's approaching again. He's coming, the plane's coming straight back. 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 The plane's coming This is concerning everybody, I believe. I see him. He's landing finally. Finally. I was like, could he just land? He took back off. He took back off. Yo! He's coming again. Is he finally gonna just land, or he's taking right back off? He's just landing this time. Or maybe not. He's taking back off! Yes, he just took back off! Let's pause it into another one goes by. There he comes at the other side! Just keep flying. He would not stop at all. He just flew right by that way. Yes. I see him! Right there! Watch this thing take right back off! He's taking off! He's taking off! He's disrupting all aviation rules. Okay, let's pause it. It's like going up there. I know he's coming around again. He might seem to go farther, but he's just trying to turn around. Yeah. Could this thing just normally land? What is he doing, I'm wondering. Look what he's doing. He's like going vertically. Let's pause it until he gets here. Okay. Plane's approaching now. It's getting to approach now, I believe. He's coming! There he goes! Not sure what this thing's doing. What is he even thinking? Let's pause it. There he goes by again. I hear him again. There he is. He's coming again. Oh, he's coming again. Oh, that's a 757! 757! That's a 757. That's unexpected. That's the first turboprop engine plane I saw today. He's not landing and taking back off. He's just keep going. There he goes. It was a 757. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, I think the other one is coming again. The unknown one, that's the one that I think I hear now. Or I'm not sure if he's coming. Let's pause it until I see him. See, this 757 is taxiing again. Let's see if I could see him on radar. There he comes again! This time he's definitely not taking back off. He's done! No, the 757 just landed just to come, and the plane that when it's unknown is no longer taking back off. Let's pause it until another one comes. And we'll probably be waiting a little while because the 757 only came to land and that one is done training. The unknown plane is down there making a lot of noise with its engines. The 757 might take back off. I'm just not sure. Because it went to a certain area and now it's coming back the other way. I'm wondering so much about the the 757. Let's pause it. I hear a plane, guys. I literally hear a plane. Ugh! That was a pine cone. Well, it learned this lesson at the same time as I learned the lesson to step on it. It got crushed. And I learned my lesson by getting my foot hurt. It gets crushed like that. That's what this gets. Okay, could I just see this one? I've been hearing a lot of planes but not seeing them. I'm not sure. Let's pause until I prove this one. There's another one! It's the same plane, but except it's not actually the same one. What is he doing? He's taking back off, I believe. No, he's not actually. He just lands. I knew I would see another one. That's the fourth plane I saw this time. Oh, he's taking back off, I believe. He landed and he stopped for a little bit and now he's going fast. He took off. Do you see that? Is that thing gonna do this many times again? Definitely not leaving until I know this guy's done training. Let's pause it. The 757 is moving. The 757 is moving. He's on the move.
Okay. After this, we gotta go.
No, I think the... I think the other plane's coming back around.
I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. I'm peeing in the cup. Hush.
There goes 757. He's definitely taking off on that area, and that's definitely the runway. Or maybe not. Oh, he's flying over again. I was right that he was going to turn around, but I was not thinking the right thing. I was thinking he's going to land again, but no. There goes the 757. Finally, movement's happening again. Planes are on the move today. It's going all the way down there. I think he's waiting for that military craft that was going around. I think it's gonna land again. Because I don't see this guy moving. That was pretty quick for the 757. Yep, he's coming. He's coming down there. That's definitely what I was waiting for. Is he going to taxi or take back off? Taxi. He wasn't really training. He's just trying to land in. Wait! He's taking back off this way. Is he? I think he is. Oh no, he's just trying to make another turn there. Oh, I think the other one that was keep going by had winglets, and did not have winglets. So it looks like the other one doesn't have winglets. The 757 is, I'm not sure what the 757 is waiting on. Whoa! There's a Beechcraft King Air! Yeah! That was a Beechcraft King Air! what the 757 was waiting for. Was waiting on. The Beechcraft King Air just came and he's not going. It was only coming, it's not turning. I didn't expect another plane to come in like that. Okay, let's see 757. Okay, he's about to take off now. There he goes. That was 5 planes. 5 different planes flying here. My 757. Okay guys, let's pause it until somebody else comes. There's already another plane. That's a Twin Otter. That's the Twin Otter I saw training earlier. That's the Embraer Twin Otter.
Yeah, is that another one coming?
Oh.
Up there.
I don't see one. Please stop.
Can you help it? Feels like a crush.
Let's pause it till another one comes. We're leaving, there we go. I wonder what those yellow things are for. Those huge yellow things.
I didn't see it.
They're behind.
Oh, those are just gate protectors.
Stop, Daddy. Can you just stop?
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
It warns me if I'm going too fast. I love it. Did you hear that? Oh.
What was it?
It was telling me I was going too fast.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.